Hey guys, let's see, I'm just going to move the computer a little closer here. Okay, I think that's better. Okay, so chapter 2 in your Focus on Grammar 4 is review from what we have done before. So it's talking about the difference between simple past and past progressive. So remember, simple past is just one thing that happened in the past and it's done, right? We're just saying this thing happened in the past, okay? So I can say I watched TV last night. Okay, so last night is over. I watched TV last night. I'm not focusing on the fact that I watched TV for an hour or 2 hours. All I'm saying is I watched TV last night. Now, for past progressive, remember, we're talking about two different actions. So we're going to have two different clauses. So we can have an action that was taking place. Now remember, this has to be a long action, not something like I dropped my pencil, because that's just really quick. So I was watching TV here. This is the period of time where I was watching TV, because that was the long action that was taking place. But during that time, something else happened here. So I was watching TV when the phone rang. Okay, so the phone ringing interrupted my watching TV time here. Okay, and remember, when we have two clauses, if we have when or while or any of those other words in the middle, don't put a comma. But if I did it like this, when the phone rang, comma, I was watching TV. Okay, so the action that took a long time is in the past progressive, was watching, and the other short action that interrupted it is in simple past, right? Rang. Okay, we can also have two long actions that were happening in the past. So here, there's an action happening here, and at the same time, there's another action happening here, and they're both taking place over a long period of time. So while I was taking a shower, comma, I was singing. Okay, so the taking the shower took 10 or 15 minutes, and that entire time I was singing as well. So both of those things were taking place at the same time. Now, if you have two clauses in the simple past, that means that one thing happened before the other thing. Now, the clause that has when in it is the thing that happened first. So here, when I got to work, I turned on my computer. Okay, so both of these are simple past. And the first action is in this clause, the when clause. When I got to work, first, that's the first thing, I turned on my computer. It's not necessarily the first one in the sentence, because I can say, I turned on my computer when I got to work. The first action is still, I got to work, and the second action is still, I turned on my computer, even though turned on my computer is the first one you see in the sentence. Okay, so take a look at the notes I provided you for chapter 2. You might even want to go back to last year's notes and just look that over, and maybe look over the exercises you did in Focus on Grammar 2 and Focus on Grammar 3. You've got everything you need. You don't need to purchase the Focus on Grammar 4 workbook. I copied everything you need. It's in that package. Okay, so good luck, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.